Okay, I put a glove on my non-dominant hand, and that's so that I can turn this as I'm spray painting. You might still get a little bit of paint on your index finger as you're spraying, so if you worry about that, then definitely wear a glove on there. If I'm doing a lot, I will definitely wear my respirator as well, which I strongly recommend that you do. And we're going to shake it up. Now, I started shaking this one, and you can hear the rattle can, right? You want it shook really well. If you have an old can, you won't hear the rattle right away. You need to keep shaking it until you hear that rattle, see? So that'll start actually shaking it. You're not really doing a whole lot until you get to that point. Generally, I will stick with rust-oleum flat white paint and primer to base coat, unless I'm doing something specific. If I'm doing a glitter on the bottom that's a different color, I will ombre my spray paint. Or if I'm doing a dark color on top, then I'll use a different color for the base. But if I'm not sure, then I start with white. And you're gonna shake as you go as well. So on top first. Don't worry about getting too even coverage to start with. You can always do another coat. Notice how I'm going past. You don't want to be going over the spot or you'll get drips. So I go past the cup just slightly with my paint. Now I'll zip it up to help keep the little dust particles in there. Plus I don't really want to be breathing it in. I always wipe off my nozzle to help prevent it from clogging.